What's up, rock stars? Today we are gonna spend some time in my kitchen making a healthy, fat boosted green smoothie recipe. It's called Cream Machine, and you have never had a smoothie as creamy as this one. Can guarantee it. So we're gonna use all plant-based ingredients to get the fat content up, the cream factor high, and also make sure that it tastes good. Because if a smoothie doesn't taste good, I'm not gonna drink it and I'm not gonna share it with you. So this is a winner. All right, let's get started. The first thing we are gonna do is we're gonna add 1 cup of spinach to our blender. All right, and then we're gonna add 1 cup of water. All right, depending on what kind of blender you're using, if it's a lower speed, lower model, feel free to put your lid on and blend everything up right now. You wanna get all those leafy chunks gone before you add the rest of the ingredients. This will help get a creamy smoothie way better than if you were to put it in like I'm gonna do with a Vitamix or another high-speed blender like a Ninja or a Blendtec 2. Those are great ones. Okay, so now we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of mango. I'm using frozen mango because it's already sliced for me, it's already peeled, and it's already frozen, so it's gonna chill my smoothie down, which is a great win. I'm gonna also do 1/2 of a banana. So try to look for bananas that have spots on them, which I don't like to eat normally, but for my smoothie, they're even sweeter and creamier, so they're perfect for this. All right, so 1/2 of a banana. And then the last thing we're gonna add is 1/2 of an avocado. So I'm gonna show you how I cut an avocado because this is one of the most common questions I get. First thing you have to do is make sure your avocado is ripe. So you wanna touch it, it has to gently give in. If it's hard and mushy, it's beyond good. If it's if the skin's tough, but if it's hard and green, that means it's not even ripe yet. So you want it to have turned a darkish color, but still be soft to touch. All right, you gotta take off the little pit that comes with the avocado, and then you're gonna cut it down the middle and then slice it. So as you can tell, this one was starting to turn. So I'm just gonna cut off that little piece because I don't really want that in my smoothie. And what I'm gonna do is cut it into a 1/4. And then to get as much avocado in the smoothie as I can, I'm gonna peel it, which keeps most of the avocado together. So I'm gonna do that again with this other half. All right, as you can see, there we go. Now that everything's in the blender, I'm gonna turn it on and blend it up. And then I'll explain to you why healthy fats are so good for you and why you should not be scared of them. All right, Cream Machine is ready to go. So I told you I was gonna explain to you why healthy fats are your friend. And healthy fats are fats that are found naturally in plant-based ingredients that haven't been highly processed or tainted. So examples of this are avocado, have lots of fat in them. Coconut oil is another one, if you get organic, unrefined. So what healthy fats do is that they help your body absorb nutrients. So all of this other brightly colored fruits that we're putting in our bodies with vitamin A, C, D, all of that, they're not gonna absorb as well if we're not adding fat. So that's why we do fat. All right, fat is good. And it also helps your skin clear up, it hydrates your skin, it moisturizes it, and it also helps your digestive system. So if you have any issues going to the bathroom regularly, just add a little bit of healthy fat and that will help things along. Okay, so you can see this is a super thick smoothie. Kind of looks like Nickelodeon slime, but it does taste good, I promise. And that's just because it's literally so thick with the frozen ingredients and all of the banana and avocado. Okay. So it's so thick that this is not one that you want to drink, but you can stir it and sip from a straw and get all of those healthy fats and plant-based protein. So this smoothie has 11 grams of healthy fats. It also has 3.5 grams of protein, just over 200 calories in here, and 8 grams of fiber. So that's a pretty great great booster for your day. If you're having it as a snack or maybe a morning quick meal, you might want to add some nuts like almonds to the side just to boost the protein a little more. But it's really good. Yes. Awesome. All right, so if you want more videos on healthy fats, keep subscribing to our YouTube channel. We're gonna be doing more with meal replacements, more blender demos so you can see different blenders in action, and we have a lot of more recipes coming your way shortly. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye.